Hey guys, it's Aaron and Tracy
Hi.
here on Royal Caribbean, Odyssey of the Seas. And we want to show you the casino.
It's really a nice casino.
It's really a nice casino, and we just kind of want to show you, and we'll take a little tour. It's closed now because we're in port. It opens late tonight.
It does, because we don't leave until late. Show them the crystals. I love the crystals.
So here we're showing the Casino Royale.
The entrance, yeah, it's
Yeah, and the
beautiful.
crystals are like Tracy said, it's beautiful. So obviously it starts where I don't know what end we're at.
This is on the non-smoking side. I do know that.
Yeah. So these are the type of games they have. I'm probably going too fast. I apologize. So we're in a non-smoking set right now, right?
Correct. Oh, we can take these off too because it's vaccinated.
Oh yeah.
Yay.
Casino is vaccinated only. Those are the games.
Here's the coin game.
Coin game. I used to love this game.
You and Hannah played hours on that game.
Hannah being the stepdaughter. Yeah, there's the bar in the center. These are some of the other games. I guess we'll show you the games. Spitfire. There's a stairwell going to the fourth floor.
I'm going to put my mask on because it's smoky.
Smoky.
Because
Yeah, it's
smoke
pretty
really
smoky in
bothers
here.
me. So I'm going to wear my mask.
This is a great-
Not too hard. Because they're
Yeah.
all smoking over there.
Triple double games.
And it's got roulette.
More of these. Some people like to see what type of slot machines they have, so I'll show you that. Phoenix. But anyway, they have tons and tons of table games.
Yeah, here's roulette.
There's a roulette, like Tracy said. This is
Blackjack.
blackjack. More roulette. Cashiers to the right of us. More
Blackjack.
card games.
I thought they had Texas Hold'em on the other side.
Casino host station. And there's more card games to the left of us, like here.
More of these.
So we're on one side of the casino right now. We'll go back up the other side in a second. More casino game or slot machines. Here in the middle, they have multi-game.
Yeah, these are those.
I know people like those.
These are poker and
Po-
roulette.
Okay, yeah, they're poker games, like Tracy said, in case you couldn't hear her. Don't know what those are because they're locked. Treasure Lounge is in the center here. Oh, more video poker. Okay. So we're at one and we're going to work our way back. Because I didn't get the other side here. Now this is another game. I don't know what it's called.
How Yin Live.
But looks fun. Mighty Cash. Wonder 4 Jackpots. Grand Foo Wheel. So we already got the multi-game. Dancing Drums. This is what all these are. There's 7 of those.
This must be a popular game.
Yeah. Mega Good Luck.
Craps.
Okay, so yeah, we're getting to the craps. I don't know if I showed this. I'll just spin around. That's cool. So yeah, oh yeah, that craps. I'd love to say that's a game, but it's an ATM.
Mm.
Okay, so these are more card games. There's got another 6 or 7 tables.
That area of games down here, look.
So it's Lucky Gong. We'll show you those over there in a second, but this is a huge casino.
It's a big casino.
I can't remember to have this suspended because we can't tell you what those are. Wish I could. Hex Breaker.
We're not big gamblers, so we don't know the
Yeah.
name of the games. I know Oompa Loompa.
Tracy and her Oompa Loompas.
Well, there's piggies. I like the piggies. It's
Yeah,
fun.
Tracy loves the piggies.
And I don't know what the name of it's called, but I call it piggies.
So, show you over here. They have a circus one.
Oh, it's got clowns in it.
The bowl game.
Oh, here's Buffalo.
So these are 88 fortunes. I can't see it. I know that's a big one. 88 fortunes.
Look at this one. This one paid out $947.
Somebody won big on this the other night.
Yeah, they won like I think 1,600 on buffaloes.
So going around the corner here. Wonder Four Wheels. Happy Eights. Jolly Eights. Let's go here. Getting sneezy here. Getting smoky.
Yeah.
I don't know what these are called. Diamond Trails. And Deep Sea Magic over there. Texas Hold'em.
That's Texas Hold'em.
Yeah, I just showed the Texas Hold'em game. And again, there's the bar. So we've covered the whole. Wait a minute, I don't know if I got over here. Did I?
I think so, yeah.
Oh yeah, I got over there. All right, you guys. So that is the casino. It's big. I know it may not seem big, but it's big.
It is big. It's very big.
Yeah, it's. Trust me, it is big. And again, this is vaccinated only.
Yep.
You can be down here without a mask,
Yep.
which is what we're not wearing a mask.
And I'm only coughing because of smoke.
Yeah, this smoking is kind of thick. People come down here to smoke. Just
And I have such asthma, and
yeah,
the cigarettes kill my asthma.
but it's a little smoky down here.
Could be why I don't gamble.
But part of the casino is a non-smoking,
Correct.
and you'll see when you get here which part is and isn't.
Yeah. And
It's
you
hard.
can smell.
It's
which
hard to
part it is.
describe. I mean, to tell you what is and isn't. But yeah, this is cool. But anyway, I hope you liked what you saw here. Let me know in the comments, or you have any questions.
Yep. Hopefully they have your game that you like.
Yes, hopefully they did. Hopefully we showed you the game. But otherwise, guys, thank you for watching.
Have a great day.